Because that's what got me here. Now you're relaxing and you're introducing me to someone I don't know.
But
And it was a full first time. Why we
So now be
consistent, guys. Keep showing up.
Kubhetere ndingashow up kakhulu ukwenzela ba.
Yeah.
Ukwenzela ba.
That's why I'm single.
Yo.
Because abantu don't want to show up. You guys don't want to be men in that sense anymore. Go back to
nina nithi nina madoda badinga princess treatment. Kodwa nina anenze nix nina.
What do you mean?
What is your job as a female? Good relationship. As a good relationship, what is your job when as a female?
What is my job?
Okay. What is your job?
My role as a woman is to assist my man.
In terms of what?
In terms of we are helpers, Mas. We are helpmates. I want to develop. I want to grow you. I want to grow with you.
Okay. For you, girl.
Hence, you can't be single because you find that the energy that actually when I build, I'll grow it.
Okay.
Because when it's at a surface level, guys, in terms of real relationships, our quasi uba good 3 months, then for the rest, is trying to. Guys, it's not fair. It's not
sometimes.
fair.
Tennis nalomdana.
Yeah.
Ubona ba ubethe ibhola phinde ubethe back uphinde ubethe wena uya relax wena because ngimo date wena kodwa univumile kanti xa undivumile siyathandana andithandi wena
okay
yabo
andiyayiva le
so that's the thing ke ngoku when you relax because mina funeka ndidate wena amandla wami ayaphela ke ngoku mina because awudlala itennis wena
ithi lento chom sonke sijoyina nabantu abarongo. Because if you find the right one, energy will be.
It was fun.